What's up guys? Today's video is on the best under cabinet lights. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and sorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell, so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. Brilliant Evolution 6 Light LED Under Cabinet. One of the handiest options for under cabinet lighting are puck lights. This set by Brilliant Evolution includes 6 3.5-inch lights and 2 remotes, which control all pucks at once from as far as 15 feet away. They're really easy to use, and we love how the light can be customized in a number of different ways. You can even switch the color. You can also enable them by tapping the lens and configuring a timer for automatic shut-off. These lights are powered by AA batteries included. You'll go through them regularly, more or less frequently if you use the gadgets daily, and the pucks may not expire in the same batch. We also appreciate that they can be mounted with screws or adhesive tape. Number 4. Ecolight Under Cabinet Light Bar. We also appreciate the Ecolight Bar Light, which features a cordless design and scrolling list of automatic features allowed this hard wiring required. It operates on 6 AA batteries and features an easy access battery compartment. A rechargeable design would be excellent, but you will earn 44 hours of illumination prior to replacing the batteries, thanks to energy-efficient LEDs. This light can be mounted with screws or with included adhesive command strips. We also love the touch sensor for easy on-off activation. It is among the most affordable options for under cabinet lighting, too, and we love that it has coverage from a generous 6-year warranty. Number 3. Jusjubr LED Under Cabinet Light. Opt for a plug-in option if you're not interested in keeping track of battery replacements. There's the Jusjubr Lightstrip, for example, that you can get via Amazon. It consists of a 12-inch light strip with a power supply to the standard plug that connects to the USB. You can, with a single outlet, plug in multiple strips to accommodate the length of your cabinet. This LED tape attaches underneath your cabinets with an ultra-strong adhesive back. We like that 5 light temperature options give you control and customization over your lighting. The on-off switch also doubles as a dimmer to help set the mood, and the strip will even remember your last setting, so your lighting always looks perfect. And if you find that you want a cord-free look, you can also hardwire the strip. Number 2. Brilliant Evolution Wireless Ultra Thin. Cordless, slim, and inexpensive, the Brilliant Evolution LED light bar is a fine choice for many households, even ones on a budget. Only 1 inch thick, this light strip is unobtrusive enough to light up the underside of your cabinets and could also be used to light closets, stairs, car trunks, etc. We love the built-in touch sensor, which let you power them on with a gentle tap of the lens. These durable LEDs emit a warm white glow and can be effortlessly installed using the included screws or some heavy-duty adhesive. This cordless light operates on 3 AA batteries, not included, so you'll need to account for purchasing these separately over the light bar's lifetime. Number 1. Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus Kit. If you want the best in atmosphere-enhancing light, Philips Hue is hard to beat. The line launched one of the first LED smart bulbs, but nowadays, the choices are many times more plenty. Needless to say, our favorite under cabinet lighting is from this collection, the Shape Light Base Kit. This tape-style strip is a flexible 80 inches, 205 centimeters long and can be trimmed to the exact size you need and then reattached with the supplied adhesive. It expands up to 32 feet with added strips, which makes it great for large-size kitchens and work tables. It is Bluetooth compatible, which means you can link it with a smart home assistant, e.g., Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Assistant and control it with voice commands and/or via the Philips Hue mobile app. The strip is dimmable, offers 6 color modes and has various customizable settings, including one where it powers on each morning when the sun rises. Just be aware that you'll need the brand's Hue Bridge Hub to use the kit, which you'll have to purchase separately. Though the price tag might seem high for such lights, it is covered by a 2-year warranty.
All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.